All right, timestamp 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the 4 hour close, we did get some sort of rejection at this zone, but this is coming with a few red flags here. I mean, we shall see. I am questioning if this is going to be a runner, but if it's a runner, I can't chase it. I won't chase it, and I was thinking maybe I should demo it, but I don't even want to train my body to practice those kind of behaviors, even though I could be right about the read. The issue is a few things here. One, most of the times when the market is aggressive, the bullish composite usually stalls around the pivot point. We just broke right through it like it was nothing. The second thing is the bearish composite usually pulls back as well. As you can see, we resolve down. So they're not even, I question if it's symmetry in this setup. Now, the currency pair is expressing exactly what I wanted to see. And we do have non-acceptance, right? So we, as prices came into the pivot, we have what we were looking for. Now, what I will wait to see is typically in this particular entry, um, we usually have the 6 a.m. candle closing in here, or actually, usually in the sequence, prices would have already started rotating up here and be on its way to pushing down for a rejection. But so what I think this is going to be is a compressed rotation, inventory failing to uh, a compressed rotation that merges into a possible runner, or we'll see. Because I mean, technically, this can come back aggressive too. But the fact that I can't classify it, the fact that I can't make sense of it for the time being, makes it not tradable as per my rules. However, I will see what happens here with this. I want to see if this level of support on the currency pair bounces back up. And if we maybe get a rejection later, let's see, that's a possibility too. So I want to see how it plays out. So I haven't completely abandoned it yet, but if it runs, I wouldn't be surprised. All right, so we'll stand by and see what happens here moving forward in the next few hours. Thanks.